Hey guys, I wanted to start off the year with a gardening video, of course, and wanted to show you guys my beautiful tomato harvest from last year. This orange accordion tomato, absolutely gorgeous. Look how massive it was compared to my hand. Okay, and by the way, I do have a seed shop now. I'll put that in the description box if you're interested. But today I want to show you how I make my own fertilizer using crawfish or crayfish or whatever it is you call it, where you're from, or you can even use crab. Okay, look at this black crim tomato. It took over my hand, you guys. Gigantic. But today I'm using crawfish. I've been using it for a while now. I've used it different types of ways in my garden. And the reason why I have so much crawfish available is because my husband's from New Orleans, and I try to surprise him by buying crawfish yearly, but I kind of do it on purpose, I'm not gonna lie, because I know he's not gonna eat it, so I just use it for my garden, okay? I admit it. He's from New Orleans, and he refuses to eat crawfish that is sold in any states that is not New Orleans. Okay. So I end up using it for my garden. So I have used crayfish like this in the garden. I have blended it up. I have put it in the soil in the fall and planted it in the spring. I have blended it up in water and watered my plants, the holes before I put my starts in. So I wanted to show you guys one of my processes, okay? So this one is a bit easier, doesn't smell as bad. Okay, so what you're gonna do is blend up your crawfish. If you don't have crawfish, you have old like crab leg shells or old any type of shelly shell, I don't know, any type of seafood that has an exoskeleton, or even fish. You could use fish as well. I've used fish, and I'm using fish in this video. I even use eggshells, as you could see, to add to the mixture. So I do crawfish, eggshells, and some whiting fish that I had, and I also use a catfish head. It doesn't have to be specifically crawfish, but crawfish is in my mix because of the shell. Okay, it has nitrogen, it has calcium, it has trace minerals, and it also has a thing called chiasint, something like that. It helps to control the bad nematodes that will be in the soil. All right, so what I do is blend everything up. Okay, the crawfish, the fish, the eggshells, the fish head raw, not cooked. And then I just label my container lid. This is a food grade, food safe bucket that I got from my local bakery. They use it for frosting. So this way, there's no like chemicals leaching into my homemade fertilizer. Okay. So here I'm adding actually a fish head. I had made some catfish curry. It is a favorite of mine from my birth country and birthplace, and from where my family is from. But I decided to use the fish head to add to my bucket. Usually we would curry it as well, or make fish head soup with it. But I decided to just use it and add it to my bucket because from what it looks like, fertilizer prices are going to be very high this year. And, it may be hard to find fertilizer because of everything that's going on in the world. So hopefully this video helps you make your own fertilizer so you can feed your soil, feed your plants, and have a high production of fruit, tomatoes, peppers, any fruit bearing plants, to get your soil nice and healthy. So I like to do about 1/4 cup to a gallon of water when I water in my plants, and I'll do a bi-weekly or once a week feeding to the plants as they grow during the summer. I don't like to overdo it because I do live in an area that has a lot of bears and I don't want to attract them too much. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, this mixture has slow release nitrogen, calcium, lots of trace minerals, and chitin that will help control, bad nematodes in the soil. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon in another video. Bye, guys. Oh, and leave a comment. Bye.